the pinesol lemon fresh multi-surface cleaner. Its 4 times cleaning action includes cut-through grease and also deodorized. So for heavy cleaning and light touch-ups, these are the things that you can use it for. For dirt and grime, you clean messes on floors around the house, including hardwood. So you just dilute, then mop. For cleaning stains and odors, clean and deodorize the toilet. You just pour half cup into bowl and brush, and then flush, and that will be that. For cleaning grease and spills, it cleans, shines, and deodorizes countertops. All you have to do is pour into sponge, wipe, then rinse with water. For soap scums for your bathtubs and also shower, it removes light soap scum and grime. Just wet a rag, sponge, scrub, then rinse with water. Clean dirt and grime, cleans messes on the floor around the house, including hardwood floors. So all you have to do is just dilute and mop. For heavy duty, use full strength and rinse immediately. So not recommended for use full strength on copper or aluminum. Painted surfaces, test a small area first. So using this, you just have to do it with mindfulness. To use around the house as a general cleaning, use 4 cup per gallon of water, usually no rinsing required. So you can use it, do this mixture, and then you don't need to even rinse at all. And then it also comes with caution: eye irritation, do not get into eyes. For sensitive skin or prolonged use, wear rubber gloves. First aid: eyes. Immediately rinse with water for 15 minutes. If irritation persists, call a doctor. If swallowed, drink a glass of water, call a doctor or a poisonous control center. And also keep out of reach of children and pets. The ingredient that it contains: water, peg. All the things that it contains is right on the top here. So this is a 4 times cleaning action pinesol lemon fresh multi-surface cleaner. This is 48 ounce or 1.5 quart or 1.41 liters. Looking at it, it looks a little concentrate, but it's also liquidy. If you can use this as it's recommended, read all the cautionary aspects before using it. It will be very, very helpful. Remember that on wood surfaces, do not allow puddles of cleaner to remain. Not recommended for use on unfinished, sealed, painted, waxed, oil or worn flooring. Test a small area first before